Now, silver goes beyond gold as being really the most useful of metals and probably the most useful element known to man. So it's used for things like flatware, silverware. So here's some samples of sterling silverware used for candlestick holders. So anything like serving pieces. It's used for watches, picture frames, sconces. There's so many uses for silver. It's used in photography. So one of the big ways to recycle silver was it was used for developing photographs. It's used for creating x-rays. So if you look at that x-ray over there, the black that you see on the x-ray is actually silver and can be stripped off those x-rays. Silver is the most reflective element known to man. So every solar panel has a layer of silver on it. Mirrors used to have a layer of silver behind the glass as the reflective element of mirrors. And today aluminum is used. It's not as reflective as silver, but it's pretty close. So, but it used to be silver for mirrors. Silver is actually an antibacterial. So it's used in deodorant. It's used for medical purposes. If you have an operation, the sutures, the different elements might have silver within them, the instrumentation. It's used for water filtration. You might have heard of colloidal silver, which is used for medical purposes. Silver solder, electrical contacts. But probably the biggest use for silver is in batteries, or really for energy. So in nuclear energy, silver is used. But when you think about solar, the only time that you have solar energy is when the sun is out. So what you need to do is store that energy. You store that in batteries, like a Tesla. You've got a whole bunch of batteries in a Tesla and other electric cars. Silver is the most important element in those batteries. So companies like Tesla and Apple are buying up a lot of silver behind the scenes. You don't hear about it, but they need it for their products.